Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix sorry, something went wrong error in Black Myth Wukong. So, solution 1, run the game as an administrator. 1. Open Steam and go to the library. 2. Right click on Black Myth Wukong and choose properties. 3. Navigate to the local files and click browse game files. 4. Right click the executable file and select properties. 5. Go to the compatibility tab and tick run as administrator. 6. Click apply change and OK button. Solution 2. Disable in-game overlays. 1. Open Steam and go to the settings. 2. Navigate to in-game and uncheck the enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. 3. Restart the game. Solution 3. Verify integrity of game files. 1. Open Steam library. 2. Right-click on Black Myth Wukong and choose properties. 3. Go to the local files. Tap Step 4. Click on Verify integrity of game files and let the process complete. Solution 4. Modify launch settings. 1. Right-click on the game in your Steam library. 2. Select properties, then click on Set Launch Options. 3. Enter any a DX11 or DX12 to optimize performance and click OK. Solution 5. Run the game on a dedicated graphics card. 1. Open your graphics settings. 2. Search for Black Myth Wukong. 3. Set it to run on your dedicated graphics card. 4. Apply the settings and relaunch the game. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.